I forgot how many videos that I've made that I have not posted. Welcome back, guys. This is vlog number 1 of the year because I haven't posted it at all. So every time of the year, let me put this on my new tripod. So I forgot how many videos that I've made that I have not posted. Welcome back, guys. This is vlog number 1 of the year because I haven't posted it at all. So every time of the year, let me put this on my new tripod. So every month of the year, I'm going to post my monthly recap. Totally not stealing that from BrandTube Capture TV. And today is going to be a different day and probably a longer video because I got my whole hair stuck in that. My friend, well, best friend, and it's his birthday. He's turning 16 years old and I'm throwing him a party because he didn't want one, but do I listen? No, not at all, because I'm me. So we are going to be throwing him a party. I'm so excited. And we got Choky Milk, guys. We're gonna be popping some Choky Milk, so let's go upstairs and see what the day's gonna be like. And he's gonna text me when he's here, so we're gonna see his full-time reaction. Oh, and this is the drip. Yes, I'm wearing my mom's pants because they are so comfy. And because I didn't really want to, like, not wear them. So let's go see what I got him for his birthday. Hey guys, he's here. He's very sad because I shaved his mustache.
Look what you did to my boy. They massacred him.
It's gone. He's fresh-faced now, and he's a stone cold killer.
You ugly.
You daddy's son.
You your daddy's son. Hey.
That's why your mom did.
That is it.
What shoes she got on? The day ended early. I'm just gonna vlog the whole thing. But then, it's now blizzard. So now we gotta take this one home. We didn't even get to make the cake.
Yeah.
But those jalapenos. Glizzy's in a blanket though. Did I see Tumblr on that? Oh, it was TikTok. A Tumblr.
Oh my god.
But like my drip though is that's the best thing.
Somebody got their car bumpers ripped off.
How do you live? I just use the side.
Alright, what are you doing out in the snow with a little sedan?
Oh my
Get the hell
god.
out of here!
I'm walking here.
I'm talking here.
I'm driving here!
I'm driving in the Jeep here. Come on, it's not summer yet.
Come on, you gotta get that on video.
What?
Oh,
Oh, it is.
What? No, you gotta get me on video.
Bruce Wayne's World? I don't want to get copyrighted, so I'm gonna have to mute the volume.
I'll go time anyway. Yours?
The tea.
I'm feeling nuts!
Loyalty inside my DNA. I got